Hello everyone, my name is Fitri Miftah Rizky. My student ID number is 231150007. Here, I will explain about the learning scenario in class in Phase B. Learning goals is students can describe the characteristic of various flat shapes or quadrilaterals, triangles, and polygons. Next, learning objectives flow are the number one is learners can compare characteristics between flat builds and between building space. 2. Students can determine the location on maps that use a grid system. 3. Learners can give examples that are around which is a flat build. 4. Use visual aids. The learning duration is 2 times 45 minutes. Next, I will explain the teaching scenario with a minimum duration of 5 minutes. First 5 minutes is praying and asking condition, ice breaking, check student attendance. Second 5 minutes is the teacher asks students to prepare the necessary supplies and equipment. Third 5 minutes is the teacher reviews the previous material. Fourth 5 minutes is provide trigger questions and relate them to the material to be studied. Fifth 5 minutes is convey learning objectives and benefits in everyday life. Sixth 5 minutes is the teacher divides students into several groups and distributes student worksheets. Seventh 5 minutes is the teacher displays a PowerPoint and shows a picture of flat shape and then asks questions about the flat shape. Eighth 5 minutes is students are shown objects in the form of flat shapes that are often found, such as books, triangle rules, and origami paper. Ninth 5 minutes is students observe the picture of a flat shape displayed by the teacher. 10th 5 minutes is students and the teacher conduct questions and answer regarding the shape of these objects. Students are asked to name other objects that are flat shapes. 11th 5 minutes is the teacher explains the concept that a flat shape is a shape that has two dimensions, namely length and width. Explain the concept of sides. 12 5 minutes is teacher asks student to show one piece of folded paper. Then the teacher asks, what shape is this folded paper? How long is the side of this folded paper? 13 5 minutes is students with teacher guidance conclude the result of today's learning. 14 5 numbers is the teacher distributes evaluation questions as assignment at home. 15 5 minutes is the teacher conveys the material for the next meeting. 17 and 18 5 minutes is greeting and closing prayers were led by the class president. Then I will explain about the content, context, learning style, and learning tools for students. The content. Firstly, starting the class with a greeting prayer with the students. Secondly, conditioning the class before providing learning material. Then, preparing to start learning and providing learning material. Then, the teacher draws conclusions with the students. Next, the teacher gives daily assignments to students as evaluation material. Finally, closes the learning by reading prayer together. Next, context are paper, ruler, plate, table mat, and towel. And then, about learning style is kinesthetic and audiovisual. And the last, learning tools are paper, ruler, marker, pencil, projector, eraser, triangle rules, and origami paper. That's all from me about the learning scenario. And thank you for your attention. And sorry for my mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.